Hello everyone, my name is Ashish Chaudhary. Today let's talk about the IPO details of Indigen Private Limited. It is one of the most awaited health tech listing in India. Indigen is a global player in life sciences commercialization service, helping pharmaceutical and biotech companies with everything from clinical trials, regulatory submission, pharmacovigilance, marketing, and even digital transformation. Founded in 1998, it has built a strong global footprint with major clients across North America and Europe. Let's have a look on IPO details. The IPO size is about 1842 crore with a fresh issue of 760 crore and an offer for sale is around 1082 crore. The price band of this company is 430 to 452 per share and investor could apply in lot of 33 shares. The IPO was open from 6th May to 8th May 2024 and it received a phenomenal response, getting subscribed nearly 70 times overall, with institutional investors showing the highest demand. Now, the IPO was managed by the top investment bank like Kotak Mahindra Bank, Citigroup, JP Morgan, and Nomura, with Link in Time as registrar. Talking about financial, the its indigenous reported revenues of about 2036 crore in financial year 2023 with a profit after tax 1970 profit about 242 crore. Clearly the company demonstrated strong growth, although margin has shown some volatility. Now, the use of proceeds from the fresh issue was planned for repaying debt, funding and subsidiaries capital expenditure and supporting future acquisition. Market experts highlighted that Indigen doesn't really have a direct listed peer in India, making it a unique play in the health tech and life sciences services space. However, there are risks such as high valuation dependence and overseas markets and intense global competition. To conclude, the Indigene IPO reflected strong investor confidence driven by its global business model, solid growth, and digital focus in healthcare. While valuations were on the higher side, long term investors see it as a strong bet on India's growing role in global life sciences and healthcare innovation.